Angelo. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding. Appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching the channel with us. Today, we're going to be talking about our self-employed mortgage programs that we offer. We're the nation's #1 lender for self-employed. So this is a big topic. And I love talking about it because we're so passionate about helping investors, entrepreneurs, self-employed people, business owners. And the thing is, what's so crazy to me is that in the industry, in the mortgage industry, in real estate, usually if you're self-employed, that's frowned upon. It's a no-no, and it's really hard to get those type of loans from banks. It's crazy. So we've created a ton of different products that are awesome, whether it's for your primary residence, investment property, your commercial building, rentals, multifamily, single family, and you don't need tax returns, you don't need W-2s, you don't need pay stubs. You can literally get a mortgage with just either your bank statement or your financial statement or your P&L or your 1099 or no documentation. There are so many different options that are out there, and a lot of lenders and banks don't even know about this. They don't want to do it. They don't care. They don't think it's real. We offer these programs, 30-year fixed mortgages, low interest rates that are just as competitive with conventional loans and FHA and VA. And so it's an awesome product. And it's crazy because you could own a business and you don't get approved because, whatever your taxes or your pay stubs or your W-2s don't make sense or they don't work. But you can still qualify and get a loan. So that's what we're here for. We specialize in, there are some requirements. I'm going to talk about that. The first thing is the minimum loan amount has to be 100,000. Your credit score has to be at least 620 or higher. It has to be a single family or multifamily or commercial. It ideally has to be livable or habitable. It can't be a tear down. It has to be, generally speaking, less than 10 acres of land with a house or property. Ideally in a suburban or urban area. It doesn't work well if it's in a rural area, like, with a very small population. It doesn't really work well. It's available nationwide. Primary residence is not available in New York, but its investment property is, and so all available nationwide. So you obviously have to be a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident. You have to have a bank account, ideally. And so, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You can use it for purchases. You can use it for a refinance. You can use it for a line of credit. So it's an awesome product. So if your lender, your bank says, hey, man, you don't qualify because you don't have the income, and you're like, hey, I've got a business, I'm doing good. And, so there are solutions and ways around that. So reach out to us. That's why we're here. We're the #1 self-employed lender for a reason. That's why we're so passionate about it. We don't have any maximum loan amounts for this. You can do 3 million, 5 million, 10 million. So, we're here to give you this information to make you aware, whether you're a truck driver, you own a barbershop, you own an investment company, you're an entertainer, and you're trying to figure out how to make it work. We got the products, man. We're here to help you to figure it out. So there's no upfront money to enroll to get started. There's no contract. There's no hard credit check. You work with our company directly. We do all the funding and underwriting processing internally. So yeah, definitely reach out to us if we can help you. We want to be here as your source for self-employed mortgages and go over the different options, see what's going to be the best program to help you to make it happen. So please reach out to us, give us a call, text my office if we can help you, 832-431-6331, or you can click on the links down below to get signed up for enrollment. There's no cost for enrollment. There's no hard credit check. There's no contract, or call us 832-431-6331. So please reach out if we can help you with the self-employed mortgage. Don't forget about our Amazon rewards program too. If you want the free Amazon gift cards, go to Angelo Christian Mortgage. Give us a 5-star review if you're a partner or a vendor. And our loan partnership program, if you want to get paid for your referrals, check out Angelo Christian on the loan partnership platform and Real Estate University. Become a top producer and top closer with the company. So reach out to Angelo Christian, guys. I appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching the channel. Take care. Peace out. Be good. Bye-bye.